Okay. So yesterday we have seen with the
Yeah.
what is that typecasting and type conversion.
Okay.
So and type
We give a
conversion.
question for type conversion problem 4.
Yeah, yeah. What happened?
Uh,
Yeah.
I'm saying the type. The question was what type is A? You had mentioned
Hmm.
int A is equal to 100, so A is a whole number or an integer kind of, and
Hmm.
B is a double B. It's a kind of decimal floating number,
Okay.
and the output was asked. The output, I think, double is a bigger category than an integer, if I'm right. Right?
Yeah, double is larger than
Yeah.
integer.
So you have mentioned double B is equal to. So we are transferring smaller into bigger.
Bigger.
That
Yeah.
is doable, I guess. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
So the answer will be 100. If we print ln b, then the answer will be 100, the value of the integer a. Then other things I could do, it should not be a
Hmm.
problem. Other questions were
Okay.
easy.
Okay. So type conversion. Okay, predicting the output. So what type is A? A is integer type
Yeah, yeah,
and B is double type. Yeah.
yeah.
And what is the output?
The
Type
doubt,
conversion.
it is not a doubt. I was just asking if I am doing
Mm-hmm.
correctly.
Yeah, yeah. So what you got the output? Like did you
100
run?
only. 100. No,
Mm.
no, I did not run. I actually
Okay.
I was gone on tour for morning 6, morning
Uh-huh.
to 8. Did not
Okay,
got the
okay.
time. I just saw the questions right now before joining
Okay.
the session.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Define, we'll see some more example like we have seen integer and byte. We'll see float and int. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll move to operators.
Abrar,
Yeah.
one quick question. That is regarding the whole course and not the topic in particular.
Okay.
We can see that there are no other participants, you
Mm-hmm.
know,
Yeah, yeah.
so it's just you and me.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
of course.
do you feel it is okay to be continuing the whole course with just me as your student, or
Yeah.
would you be
Like
considering to back out or something?
no, I will be doing this. Like if there is
Okay,
no person also, my
okay,
intention is to do the full course. Like for me also, it will be like brush up. So it's been a long time. I have like there is gap in
okay.
Java.
You will be
So
going through this whole
I'm
course.
preparing. Yeah, yeah. I'm revising
Okay,
and yeah. So
okay.
if
Then it
there
is
is no
beneficial
one,
for
I
me.
will be like doing recordings and
Okay, I
uploading
was
in the
only
YouTube.
worried about if
Yeah,
there are
yeah,
no students, then you
yeah.
might stop or something.
Yeah. No, no. Yeah.
Okay,
And one
let's
thing
go.
like,
Yeah,
mhm,
tell
like,
me.
uh, what's your aim like in learning programming?
I
For
want to
what
make a,
purpose?
I want to make
Hmm.
an app eventually,
Okay.
and there are
Okay. Okay.
certain softwares that we use. Python specifically is more usable to me, but
Okay.
having learned about Java, and there was a childhood dream of making a website once upon a time. So I
Okay.
still
Okay.
have that. I think
Hmm.
Java helps in there, right? CSS and
Yeah.
something that you're talking about.
Yeah. That front end you have to learn
Yeah,
separately. And
yeah, yeah,
for doing website, I would like recommend you. There is in YouTube for free. You
yeah,
have the channel called Code with Harry.
yeah, yeah. I've seen that
Okay. Yeah,
channel.
yeah. And he is doing the Sigma web development course, and
Okay,
it's good for developing website. You can learn there, and they use React and fully it is made up of JavaScript itself. They don't use
okay,
Java. And yeah,
okay.
learning Java is beneficial. And for backend, we have to use separate thing like Spring Boot.
I'm learning this. Actually, I
Mhm.
had plans for Python, but Since I'm
Okay.
not getting a mentor for Python, like you are here, we can have one-to-one conversation is such a big
Yeah,
privilege
yeah.
that you
Of
might not
course.
be understanding for someone who has always got stuck and then
Yeah,
left
yeah.
programming.
Yeah,
So
yeah, of
that's why I
course.
want to continue in any one program. If I do, I think I can catch up with the other programs on my own effort.
Definitely. If you once learn Java, and it's
Yeah,
very easy to shift to other like Dart for building
yeah,
application in Android. There
ex-
is framework called Flutter, and you
yeah,
can
yeah.
build Android. And
Mm.
yeah, I think then you can go to switch to Python also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is my whole purpose to
Hmm.
get in the. That's
Yeah,
why I
yeah.
take out time. But tomorrow I will be. I think I might be out.
Okay.
But
Yeah, no problem.
if we are
If
still recording, I
possible,
can get. Yeah,
yeah, I will try to record
yeah.
and share
If
you. Yeah.
not, if you are taking a day off, then it's very fine with me. Otherwise, if you are still going
Hmm.
to take the class, I'll
Yeah.
see the recorded
Like,
session. No issues.
hmm yeah, yeah. And Saturday and
Yeah,
Sunday, I will be not doing. So I'll be
yeah,
sending
yeah.
some problems. You can solve the
Sure, sure,
questions.
sure, sure,
Yeah.
sure, sure.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
I'll
Anything?
start now.
Yeah,
Hmm.
sure.
So I'll take the data type as float, and I will tell that f as 5.6. Can I just say 5.6
No,
here?
no, no. 5.6
No.
F
F,
in the
yeah.
last.
F, we
Yeah.
have to explicitly mention.
But I have small question. There was some rule about naming variables.
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
that F not contradicting that the second F, or F is
No,
okay?
no, no. F is okay, fine. This is variable name. Yeah.
Okay. Keywords you meant to say at that time, right?
Mm. Yeah,
Okay
yeah.
then.
Yeah, here F is no problem. See, I can print here.
Sure, sure,
And,
sure.
and one more thing is I can on that day I have said that within one line we can compile and run. It's not
Yeah.
recommended, but instead of doing twice, it will be time consuming. So I can use Java. What is the
Mm.
class name? Main
Main,
and
yeah, main
main dot Java.
Java. Yeah.
Yeah. So I have run it, and yeah, I got the output. Yeah. So otherwise,
So
first we have to come.
we don't need to compile it now, right?
Yeah, yeah. So first I
Okay.
have to write Java C main.java and then Java main. That's it. But now here we are doing in one line. That is Java directly and main.java. So actually it is not recommended, but
Okay.
here as we are practicing, we can quickly run it. So we can use this. Yeah.
Sure.
Like in industry, it's not recommended. Yeah, when we are working. Yeah.
Okay.
And now I will take integer value. I'll take int and I'll take something like I is equal to f. Now I'll try to print I. Now I will run Java main.java.
Int I is equal to F.
Yeah.
It will show error, no?
Incompatible type. Yeah, yeah. It will show error
Because float is
as
bigger
float
and
is,
int is smaller.
yeah, float is bigger
Okay.
and int is smaller. Now what I'll do is I'll try to convert explicitly into int,
Okay.
like which type I'm going to convert, we have to mention. And I will be writing Java main.java. And I got the output. So I will be losing this floating point, that is point 0.6. After point, whatever the value will be there, we will be
Okay.
losing it when we are converting it to integer, because integer only can store whole number. So these decimal values, that is the value after the point, will be
Okay. Okay.
lost. Yeah,
Just let me write that down.
yeah, of course. Next, I'll, and there is one more thing, type promotion. Okay,
Okay.
can I change?
Yeah, you can change. I can
Yeah,
write it down.
yeah. We have type promotion. This is nothing but automatic conversion of smaller primitive data type into a larger data type. It's like type conversion itself, but what happens is, for
Hmm.
example, I'm telling byte A is equal to 10 and
Okay.
byte B is equal to 20. Now I will be telling int result is equal to A into B. So A into B is 10 into 20.
20. Yeah.
So I will be taking 3. 10 into 30 is 300. So this
Okay.
300 is automatically stored in result.
Okay.
So this is called as type promotion because these two are different data type and int is
Okay.
different. Now I am multiplying A into B and storing that value in result.
Hmm.
So this will be stored in result. So this will be
Okay.
automatically converted.
Okay.
Yeah, I will be by A is equal to 10.
Uh, Tell me one thing.
Okay.
If there was a floating number like 2.3, let's say, then floating number second was 2.6, let's say. Can we
How?
still do that int
Here.
like in the previous question? Yes,
Okay.
where you have
Float.
mentioned let it be, yeah, float.
Okay.
Float a is equal to 2.3 f
Okay. 2.3.
f. Then float b is equal to second float. Second, we are declaring the variable. Float
Hmm.
b is equal to 2.6 f. Let's say.
2.6. Okay.
I think I have entered two equal to signs. Yeah.
Hmm.
Then we do the same thing. Int multiplication is equal to a into b.
Int
And if we print int, yeah, then what happens?
A into B.
No, 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 no.
Sorry. Okay.
Int
Result
result is equal to, yeah,
A
a
into
into
B.
b.
So
And if we try to print it, what happens?
this will not happen because float
Yeah.
is like larger value and
Okay.
we have point we need to convert it explicitly. I'll
Okay.
try
Let me
to
take this.
run
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
Let me
Result
take this example. Yes.
and so I'll be getting error A into B. So I have to mention here I'm converting into int and I have to put this in bracket also. And now I am saying Java main.java. And now I got answer like 2 into 2, sorry, 2.3 into 2.6, we get somewhat
Okay. Then it
larger than
gives
5.
only the integer part only.
Yeah, it
It
only
gives, right?
gives integer part. Yeah.
Can you switch back to the old example by no, 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 the
Okay,
one you
here.
wrote? I was trying to take a picture so that I understand the difference later on.
Hmm.
I'll take two quick pictures and then we can go ahead.
This one, right? Byte
Yeah, not that float one itself. Without int that you had done.
without it. Okay, okay.
That I am saying, yeah.
Hmm. This one.
And if you run it, there was yeah, it is there. And now when you do it with int, then it happens. Like it works, right?
Yeah,
Only the
yeah,
integer
yeah,
function is there. Can you just run it
yeah,
for me one more time?
yeah. I have run here.
Okay. Uh,
Yeah,
you have not changed that int to be from with int, right?
no, no. If I mention int, then I will be getting right answer as 5.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm asking
Mm.
for,
Yeah, okay, okay, fine.
so that I can have understand the difference why it is not working.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we'll move to operators, right?
Okay, we'll do it. Okay, sure.
Yeah. So we have operators in Java. So there
Okay,
are many operators like ternary operator, but it comes like when we learn about if else loops. So there will be learning some operators. For now,
okay,
we will be learning 5 operators. So operators are nothing but special symbols. They are special symbols and which are used to perform operations and using the operands. Operands might be any value or any variables. For example, 7 plus 11 is equal to 18. So these are known as operands,
okay,
operands. And this is known as operator,
okay,
operator. And we'll be seeing what are the types of operator. So let's see types. First one is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. In arithmetic operator, we have plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus. And next one is assignment operator. Assignment operator. And in assignment operator, we have equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, or division equal to, or some more. We'll be seeing one by one. And next one we have is relational operator. Relational operator. Relational operator we have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Yeah, that's it. And also we have like smaller than, greater than. And next one is logical operator. Logical operator. In logical operator, we have and, or, and one more is not. And in fifth one, we have unary operator. Unary operator. This is nothing but plus plus, that is increment or decrement, and many more. We'll see that. So we'll see first one. What is arithmetic operator? First we'll see arithmetic operator.
okay.
Yeah. As I said, in arithmetic operator, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division,
Hmm.
modulus. We'll see the example. And first I'll take int num1 is equal to 10. And next I'll take int num2 is equal to 20. Now, now what I have to do is I will be storing result as a plus b. and then I'm
Yes.
printing result. Now I'll be getting answer as 10 plus 20. That is, okay, we have error. A plus B. Oh, sorry.
Num1, num2.
Num1. I got answer as 30. We don't need to write it here. We'll be taking extra memory. Like if you are using one variable in memory, one
Okay.
space is taken. So what I will do is I'll tell directly as result is, and I'll type num1 plus num2. Now I'll be
There will be two
printing.
plus. There will be two pluses.
Yeah, yeah. So
That is
I'll
syntax.
show this. Yeah, yeah, I'll show this. What happens? Like now I'll be getting result is 30.
Yeah. Okay.
Now if I remove this plus, sorry, if I remove the curly brace, what happens is you can see this output. What I
There will
got
be error, no?
result is, no, result is 20 and sorry, result is 10 comma 20. So what happened
Okay.
is in Java we have string. So we'll be learning string in detail. In string, if we do a
Okay.
plus a, for example,
Okay.
string a is equal to my name,
Okay.
Abra, and string b,
Oh,
string
I
b is
catenation. This is called catenation, right?
concatenation. Yeah, string
Yeah.
b is equal to a. Now if I tell string result is equal to a plus b, then if I print r, I'll be getting answer as my name plus a. Similarly, what I had written their result, but and I put in this in inverted comma. Now, when I do
Yeah.
plus, and if I write what is that num1 that is 10 plus num2,
Yeah.
this 10
Yeah.
will be concatenated. That is,
Yeah.
it becomes result 10. Again, this 10 will be concatenated. It will become
Okay.
10. When we use brackets, here it will be
Yeah.
performing operation inside what is inside bracket, and then it will concatenate. That is 10 plus 10, 20. So it becomes result is 20. So we have to use brackets whenever we are performing any operations.
Okay.
So that is using plus, and if we are dividing, what division will do? It will give the division will give the dividend, right?
Yeah.
If I am doing this 10 by 20. So here I will be getting answer as 0 because integer will give you the whole number. So
Okay.
whatever is after the decimal value, I can't write here. So 10 by 20 will be something like 0.5, right?
Yeah.
So we only get 0. Now try to print this. Got 5. That is 100 by 20 is 5.
Yeah.
So, okay, this is disconnected.
I lost you for a couple of seconds.
Yeah, my this Bluetooth has disconnected.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, I
I
can hear
think.
you.
Okay, okay. There is something issue with the connection, so
Okay.
I refreshed, then now it is connected. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. What I was telling is uh, the modulus operator. So modulus operator will
Mm.
give us the remainder of the operation. So when I do 70 modulus 20, so 70 is not directly divisible by 20. So 60 is divisible, and what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 10. So I'll be getting the answer as 10. So I got the answer here 10.
Uh,
So
can
that's
you
about
explain this one
model.
more time?
Yeah.
I did not understand that operation. What does operation means? Whatever is the operation.
Yeah. Operation is nothing but a plus b num1 modulus num2 num1 divided by or num1 multiplication into num2. So these are operations. So
Okay.
yeah. So plus minus multiplication division these symbols are operator. Got it?
Okay. We have not mentioned here which operation we are doing this time. So how does
Yeah.
it give answer?
No, we have mentioned here. You can see this symbol.
This is percentage sign,
I,
right?
I'll zoom it. Yeah, percentage is nothing but modulus. Got it? In
Okay.
programming, we are
Yeah.
telling that it is modulus. So when num1, num2, that is 70, first what modulus does is it will divide 70 by 20. It is not possible. We'll get
Okay.
remainder as 10, and it
Okay.
will remain return the value as 10, because modulus will
Okay.
give the remainder of the remainder as the answer, whereas
Okay.
division will give the dividend, that is, for example, 70 by 20, if I divide, I'll get the dividend, that is
Okay. I
into,
understand the difference now.
yeah, yeah. Okay, we'll move to the next one.
Sure.
I got it as 3 because 23s are 60,
Okay.
and there is some point, but as we are performing operation in integer type, I will be not getting that
Okay.
point value. Yeah. If I want to get the answer as float, I have to mention here like
Yeah.
float.
Yeah.
I'll be converting this to float. Now if I try to, what is this? Okay. Now I got the answer. Oh, 3.0. Oh, it's 3.0. Okay, I think I have to write this separately here. Yeah. So I'll be taking float variable and I'll tell that result. Okay, I want result in full answer, like what are the decimal points. So I will be mentioning float here.
Okay.
Now I'll be returning the result. Let's see what we get. Yeah, I got the answer as 3.5. Got
Okay.
it? Yeah. If you want the answer in floating point, we have to mention
Why
the
did it
data
not
type.
work the previous time? What was the issue?
Previous time we have not like declared the variable separately. So when we write float directly here,
Yeah.
and it will give the point value, but not the exact answer. So when we write
Oh, we had not
separately,
defined a float variable. Can you
float variable, yeah.
can you write that again? I can have that result as a no, not this one. Yeah, yeah, remove that one. Float result
Okay.
is equal to without declaring like you did earlier.
Hmm. Okay. So here you are telling,
Yes.
yeah. So what I did, float, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. We got this. Okay. Okay. Last time, what the
No,
problem
last
was?
time you did float and then bracket.
Yeah. And then bracket. So that was the
Yeah.
issue. So I should not
Okay.
use bracket after float. So I'm
Okay.
directly converting this. Okay. When I do bracket, what happens, you know? When I use bracket here, first
Yeah.
it will first it will perform the operation.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That is num1 by num2. Both are integer
Yeah.
value. So it will
Yeah.
return 3.
Give integer. Okay.
3. Yeah. It will return 3, right? Then 3 is
Yeah.
converted to float. So when 3 is converted to float, we get 3.0.
Can you run
So I
this
was,
one more time? Can you
yeah,
run this one?
including bracket.
Yeah, including brackets.
Okay. Yeah, I got 3.0. So
Okay.
actually, I have to remove
Now I
this.
get it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. We'll see next thing, that is assignment operator. What
Okay.
assignment operator does is it is used to perform the operation like addition, subtraction, etc., and assign the result to a variable in a single step. For example, is equal to. This is used to assign value. Like I'll be telling int a is equal to 10. Nothing but a is assigned to, sorry, 10 is assigned to a. And we have one more like plus equal to. Got it? Now
Yeah.
I'll be taking this a as a plus equal to 10. What this actually doing is it is telling that a is equal to a plus 10. But in short form, we are writing a plus equal to 10. It is adding this a to, it is adding 10 to a. At the same time, it is assigning the value. We can see
Yeah.
here. First, it will add a with 10 and then it
Yeah.
assign to a. So this is nothing but same. So these both are same thing.
Same.
Yeah. So what it does is it adds and then assigns. So we have subtraction and assign, that is nothing but a minus equal to 10. So what it does is a is equal to a minus 10. We'll try with programming.
Okay.
So it applies to everything like multiplication, division. Now I will be taking num1. Now what I'll say that num1,
You can guard with num1 is itself, no?
yeah, num1 plus 70. Sorry, num1 plus, okay, 10.
Written the whole formula itself, no?
Yeah, I
We could
written
have written
whole
num
thing.
plus is equal to
Yeah,
10,
yeah.
right?
I'll try that next. Before that,
Okay.
we'll say num1. Okay. So I'll running this. Now I got the answer 80. That is
Yeah.
70. Now I'll do in that way. Plus equal to 10. And I'll getting same answer. Got this. So you can do it for multiplication. When you do multiplication, it is
Yeah.
telling that num1 is equal to num1 into 10. That is
Hmm.
70 into 10.
Okay.
Okay. Next, we'll see another operator. And third operator, that is relational operator. Relational operator. And what this relational operator will do this is used to compare two values or expression and return a boolean value. So it will
Okay.
be used to compare two values. For example, whether a is greater than b, or to compare whether a equal to b, or whether a is greater than or equal to b, whether a is smaller than or equal to b, or a is not equal to b. So when this is true, it will return true.
Okay.
When it is false, it will return false. For example, if I am telling that num1 is 70 and
Yeah.
num2 is 80,
Okay.
now I'll directly print here. I can take variable and then store them. I will be directly checking here. So num1 is greater than num2. Okay, I have to mention
Very true,
80.
no?
Yeah, it's true. And sorry, it's false because 70 is smaller than 80. But I have mentioned
Okay.
num1. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Now,
That's
if
right.
I say whether num1 is smaller than or equal to num2, it's true.
Hmm.
So any one thing is true, that is true. So num1 is smaller, so that is true.
Okay.
Now num1 is equal to num2, it is false. So I'll be getting answers
What does
false.
equal to mean?
Equal to means whether num1 is equal to num2. If I
Okay.
write only equals, it is like assignment operator.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I got
So
that.
this is used to compare both values. Yeah. And we have, if we are comparing string, in string we have dot and equals to. We will be learning it later. So this is to compare numbers. Okay. Yeah. And
Okay.
next thing is, this is all about operator. You can
What
perform
did you say
everything.
about strings?
In strings,
Comparing strings, yeah.
yeah, in strings we have to compare, for example, S is equal to A, and
Okay.
string S T is equal to, sorry, I'll take string S1, string S2. This is equal to B. So in string, if we write
Okay.
system.out.println A
Yeah.
equal to B, it will not check these values, but it is not checking whether A is equal to B or A is
Okay.
equal to A. It is
Hmm.
checking the reference, like it's checking the address of the variable. We'll be learning later. So
Hmm.
here, if we want to check whether A is equal to B, we have to use dot equals. There is one method, dot equals, like A dot equals like B. So this will tell whether A is equal to B, like this. So if we
Okay.
use equal to, it will be comparing its address, whether S1 is equal to S2. Because in
Okay.
string, there is a memory like stack and heap. So when we are creating string in using new keyword, like string
Okay.
can be converted in different ways
Yeah.
using
Yeah. Yeah.
new
Right.
keywords and as normally like this. So when we create using new keyword, string value will be storing in heap. I'll explain you in detail that it will be
Okay.
confusing now. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So
Sure.
Here we got to know that we can compare like smaller than, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. And not equal to will give answer as true. We can
Okay.
try that. Yeah. And after relational operator, we have logical operator. This is the fourth one. So, logical operator. In logical operator, we have and. We have or. For
Yeah.
example, if first we will take and, what and does is, we have one table. It's very easy. And
Okay.
we have true, we have false. So I'll take this A and B. So when A is true and B is false, so
Yeah.
answer will be true. Sorry, A is true, B is true, answer will be true.
True.
When
Okay.
A is true, B is false, answer will be false. When A is false, B is true, answer will be false. And when both are false, answer will be false. Whereas in OR,
Yeah.
in OR,
If any is
yeah,
false,
exactly.
any is true, it is true.
Any is true, it is true. Correct.
Yeah.
So in OR, if this is true, what will be the answer?
True.
True. And true, false,
True.
true. And next, false, true,
True.
true. Correct. And false, false,
False.
false. Yeah, this is easy. Now, if I take in, for example, here I will be writing Boolean.
Okay.
Boolean will is the data type for telling whether it's true or false. I tell that A is
Correct.
true
Correct. Okay.
and B is false.
Okay.
Now I'll check whether like I'll tell that A and B.
Okay.
What this will give?
This will give false.
A is true, B is false. Because in and both must be true
Yeah.
to get the answer as true.
Yeah.
If I use or, I'll be getting answer as true. Because if one is true, we'll be getting answer as
Yeah.
true. Now I will
True.
tell that uh, 10 is greater than
Hmm.
20, and
That
I'll
is false.
use
Yes.
and A is smaller than, sorry. Now what will be the answer here?
Uh, A or okay, true and false. That will be false.
So first we'll check this. 10 is greater than 20. Is
That
it
is
true or
false.
false?
That is
This is
false.
false. So false
Yes.
and whether this is true, this is
It
true.
doesn't matter. It is going to
Yeah,
be false
yeah,
itself.
false itself. Yeah, of course.
Okay.
So we'll getting this as false.
Okay.
Okay, and we'll go to next operator. I'll give you some problems, so when you solve that, you'll be getting. Yeah. Next one is
Yeah.
unary operator. Fifth one, unary operator.
Okay.
So in unary operator, we have nothing but plus, minus. So this is used to perform operation on a single operand. For example, single variable. So I'll be, if I put minus, if
Yeah.
int a is equal to 10, and if I put minus
Yeah.
a is equal to minus it will become negative. If I print a, then a will be minus 10. That's it. If I put plus, it will become plus. And if I tell plus a, what happens
Yeah.
is it will increment. So for example, first I'll declare int b is equal to 10. Okay, and I will
Okay.
tell plus plus b. Then I will print b. What will be the answer here?
Plus plus b is 11,
11.
right? Right?
Yeah. First it will increment, then it will give the answer. Now I will tell, now I'll take separate value. Int
Okay.
c is equal to 30. And
Okay.
in system.out.println, what I
Okay.
does is C++. What will be the answer? Sorry.
Uh, 31. No?
No, we'll be getting output as 30. So,
Why did that happen?
because first it will print the value here. Actually, its duty is to first print and then increment because this is post increment. If
Okay.
I
Okay. Okay.
write,
Okay.
yeah, I'll give, and next, in the same line, sorry, in the next line, I'll be writing system.out.println and I'm printing C. Now this will increment and come to the next line, right? So here I will get 30, sorry, here I will be getting 31. In first line, I will get same answer 30, and
Okay.
then what it does 30 plus plus. So it will become
Okay.
31 here. So in next line, when I print C, it will become 31. Got this?
Okay.
Yeah. So,
And let me write that down, please, again.
yeah. So plus plus A, what it does is first it will increment. First
Okay.
it will change the value and then it is assigned. So this is also same thing. Whereas A plus plus will, and then we print, we will be getting the same value. For example, if A is equal to 10, if we
Yeah.
do increment, when we print, we'll getting same answer.
Okay.
Whereas if we write A plus, sorry, plus plus A and A value is 20, we'll be getting A as 21 because first it will increment, then it will print.
Oh.
Got this?
Oh, yeah.
So
Let me write down.
that's it.
Let me write down.
That's
I'll
the.
miss it.
Hmm.
Can you go back to that page again? Yeah. Thank you. Now you can go.
Yeah, I'll show some example. So VS Code. Okay. Int A is equal to 10. Now I'll type A plus plus.
This plus plus a plus plus and plus plus a, does it differ at other places as well, apart from print?
Yeah, when we perform operation also, it will happen. Like I'll show the example. Now here,
Okay.
here we'll get 11 because first it will increment and then it comes here. Now here I will put A plus plus. What happens? Can you
Uh,
guess?
10, it will print 10 only. No, wait,
It will
it will print 11.
10
You have already
A
added,
plus
na?
plus. Yeah, 11.
Yeah, it will
I'll
print
getting
11.
11. Now in next line, I'll print. Now here, I'll
It will
print
get
plus plus A.
12. 12.
11 and 11 is incremented 12.
Yeah.
What will be the answer here? 12 or
12, 12.
13?
12, I guess 12.
See, here it is 10. Now here
Yeah.
it is incremented.
11.
It
Yes.
becomes 11. Now
Yeah.
here it will print 11.
But it has already incremented to 12, right?
See, here it will print 11, but
Yeah.
it will increment to 12. Now it has
Oh, it will be
become
13, right?
12.
Understood. Yes, yes.
Now here first it will increment and then it will print. So here it will become 13. Let's see the solution. Yeah, we got 13. So this is about a post increment and post increment. In minus also same thing happens.
Okay.
Okay, I think this is enough for operator. And in
Yeah.
next class we'll see about if for like uh, conditions. So we'll wind up and I'll give the
Sure.
problems. Yeah.
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
Fine. Fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.